After a period of property and economic crisis, the European real estate market has been strong in recent times. Diversifying your portfolio into euro-valued real estate is a better idea right now than it has been in more than a decade. If you are looking for some of the cheapest and future-proof real estate investment, the places mentioned in this video are your best options. These places are ranked according to their rental yields, environment, affordability, and ease of buying property. Whether you are looking to settle down in a cottage where waves crash against the dramatic cliffs, or you're looking to earn rental income in the heart of Turkey. Here are the 10 best places to buy property in Europe. Number 10. Zagreb, Croatia. It is a gorgeous city that is rich in history dating back to Roman times. It's predicted that Zagreb will see serious growth in the next couple of years, which means this is a city you'll want to have on your radar. In 2019, the country only saw an 8.5% increase in asking prices for condos. However, condos located in Zagreb saw a 20% increase. Further, in 2020, there was a 30% increase in Airbnb homes located in Zagreb, which is a great indicator that the city is seeing a surge in vacation rentals. It's evident that the city's real estate market is booming, and if you want to get in before the prices reach an all-time high, now is the time to buy. Also, the cost of living in this city is very affordable for foreign investors in comparison to other major cities in Europe. Number 9. Feldkirch, Austria. Austria is experiencing a real estate boom, which is making the secondary cities more appealing. This is because property prices in secondary cities like Feldkirch is far lower than major cities like the country's capital, Vienna. Feldkirch is a charming alpine town that is surrounded by stunning forest mountains. Both towns saw a 20% increase in real estate prices in the last couple of years, which is higher than the country's capital, which came in at about an 18% increase. These low prices won't last for long, so now is the best time to buy. Number 8. Istanbul, Turkey. Turkey's property market wasn't hit as hard as others in the world during this global virus pandemic. Istanbul remains a bargain when it comes to real estate, with starting market prices at about $1,000 a square meter. Turkey is a country of the future, with half of its population younger than 30 years of age, which means the time to invest is now. With the economy growing and being diversified between Europe and Asia, it is easier than ever for foreigners to invest here. A construction boom is also taking place in Istanbul, as half the current housing stock in the country needs to be replaced or renovated, thus making it easy to get in on buying pre-construction apartments. Getting in early on a new build means discounted pricing and the expectation of price increase over the construction period. Number 7. Seville, Spain. Spain is a popular destination. Between the pleasant climate and stunning landscapes, there's a lot to see and do. But for those looking to buy a piece of real estate in Spain, now is the time to do so. The demand in real estate is beginning to grow again, making it a great country to invest in. If you're looking to buy property in Spain, the city of Seville is where you may want to start. This stunning city is famous for flamenco dancing and is home to major landmarks, from the ornate castle complex to the site of Christopher Columbus's tomb and more. The markets have shown that Seville has great revenue growth, and for those looking to invest in a rental property, the rental demand is high as this city experiences low seasonality. Number 6. Apulia, Italy. This is the region that forms the heel of the Italian boot, a region not always thought of when you speak of Italy. But it is here where you can find low-priced properties in a stunning setting. Truly houses, beehive-shaped rural houses, are the norm around here, and there are plenty on the market for less than $100,000. Apulia features numerous sandy beaches on 2 coastlines, country land overflowing with vineyards and olive groves, and a slew of historic towns worth exploring. Living costs are low, there is an abundance of churches and palaces, medieval streets beckon you, and craftsmen line the streets. This laid-back, eccentric area is perfect whether you are buying a second home or starting over in life. Number 5. Rotterdam, Netherlands. About an hour away from the Netherlands capital, Amsterdam, is a quaint city called Rotterdam. Rotterdam is a port city and is full of hip art, plenty of shopping, and has a bustling nightlife. Most importantly, Rotterdam inspires so much innovation that it's considered the architecture city of Holland. Rotterdam saw a 17% increase in home prices in the past year, which far surpasses the country's average of 10%. In 2012, properties sold in about 33 days, which is 11% faster than in 2020. As you can see, the property demand in Rotterdam is growing at a fast rate, making Rotterdam a city you'll want to invest in sooner rather than later. Number 4. Rennes, France. This city is rich in history, full of luscious green space, and has the appeal of a big city but on a much smaller scale. While there are 90 historic monuments in the old center, you will notice Rennes feels youthful. This is because over 200,000 residents are students. Between the attractive property prices and the new high-speed rail that can get you from Rennes to Paris in about an hour and a half, there's no wonder why Rennes should be on your radar. But keep in mind the high-speed rail will continue to make this an attractive city, so now is the time to buy if you're thinking of investing in property in France. Number 3. Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Plovdiv is one of the oldest cities in Europe and is the second largest city in Bulgaria, right behind the country's capital, Sofia. The town was built around 7 hills, which is a large part of the city's history. In 2020, the European Union named Plovdiv the European Capital of Culture, which made the city a big focus for the whole year. This title also sparked a number of urban revitalization projects that have caused the city to see steady growth in real estate sales that is consistent with the country's capital. With the city holding the European Capital of Culture title for a full year now, it's predicted that the real estate will skyrocket even further, making it a great city to buy into now. Number 2. Budapest, Hungary. There is great value to be found all over Budapest, and the time to get into the market is now when others haven't. From 2007 to 2014, the market in Budapest was in a major slump, causing housing prices to hit rock bottom, and it is only now that they are starting to recover. Budapest is truly a beautiful place both to live and work, and that is great for any investor when it comes to real estate, as the demand for rental properties continues to increase. Budapest also happens to be a year-round tourist destination, offering amazing bathhouses, dining options, and architecture, drawing visitors who often seek out private rentals to stay in. With good yields, low to moderate transaction costs, and pro-landlord laws, it is easy to understand why buying property here is the right choice. Number 1. Lisbon, Portugal. Time and time again, we hear that this is the most affordable capital in Western Europe, and it's a wonder how long this will last as foreigners start to grab up inexpensive houses. For now, though, it is quite inexpensive to buy here. A 2-bedroom apartment in a charming neighborhood will set you back about $200,000. Lisbon is a city where you can enjoy a European lifestyle, complete with history, romance, astonishing hospitality, and a seaside location for Latin American prices. The climate here is mild, the amenities are plenty, and the people are among the most polite and friendly. With a low cost of living, charming, hilly, narrow streets, and the sea at your fingertips, this is the perfect place to scoop up a second home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing content.